I'm Miss Walker, and in this video, I'm going over week 5, Tuesday, area of a rectangle. So in this one, let me underline area of a rectangle. My students know anytime they see the word area, they put a multiplication sign because to find area, you have to multiply. So this first part says to find the area of a rectangle, multiply the length by the width. For example, you have 4 and you have 8. 4 multiplied by 8 equals 32. All right, so I'm going to do A. We have 6 and we have 4. So I know I'm going to put an X in my corner, so I know I'm going to multiply. 6 multiplied by 4. Well, how I remember that is my 4, I'm going to write over here, 6 times 4 equals. I can decompose my 4 into 2 and 2. So I can do 6 times 2. I'm going to cross that 2 out because I've used it. And then I can do another 6 times 2. And then I'll cross this other 2 out because I've used it. 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12. If you don't know, you can hold up 6 fingers and skip count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now, because I decomposed my 4 into 2 and 2, now I've got to compose it. I've got to put it back together. So now I've got to add my 2 products. So 12 plus 12. I'm going to write that smaller over here. 12 plus 12. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So that means 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. So I'm going to put that on the line. Now, when we do area, we have to know what our units are. And this one is going to be 24 kilometers squared. Or 24 square centimeters. Oh, sorry, kilometers. I don't know how to make it a 2 up in the corner, so I have to write that square actually out. Now, I've showed my kids that when you do squared, you can also do it like this. So it could have been written 24 km with the little 2 up top. That means squared. So my 3rd graders do that as well, instead of writing out square. All right. We're going to move on to the next one. Possibly once I erase all my marks. Here we go. We've got 3 multiplied by 6. Okay, let's see. What's another strategy I can do? Let's do groups. 1, 2. I'm going to do 6 circles. 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put 3 in each. So I can count by 3s, or if you don't know how to count by 3s, you can put 3 dots. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So on this one, my answer is 18 square centimeters. Or 18 centimeters squared. Moving on to the next one. We've got 6 and we have 3 as our side. Oh, not 3. We have 5 as our side links. I'm going to put an X right here to remind me to multiply. 6 multiplied by 5. Anytime I have 5, I know I can count by 5. So I've got to hold up 6 fingers and count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So this answer is going to be 30 square meters. Sorry, I'm so used to saying 30 meters squared. 30 square meters. Right. On this next one, we have 1 and we have 7. Well, we know if we're multiplying 7 multiplied by 1, anything times 1 is itself. So this is going to be 7 square kilometers. Got it that time. Or kilometers, however you want to say it. 3 multiplied by 11. I get to show off my multiplication skills. So this is 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. My students know they're 11s, but I'm going to show it to you by doing the standard algorithm. So when we multiply 2 digits by 1 digits, we start in the ones place and we multiply 3 by 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Then we multiply this digit in the ones place by the digit in the tens place. So now we're doing 3 times 1, and that gives us 3. So this product is 33, and the area is going to be 33 square centimeters. All right, on this next one, we have 12 multiplied by 12. I'm going to give you that answer. 12 multiplied by 12 is 144 centimeters squared, or square centimeters. Do it again. I would show you 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication, but that is not a 3rd grade skill. So, not going to go there. All right, moving on to letter G. We have 7 and we have 6. So we're going to do 7 multiplied by 6. Now, I like to decompose the 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6. So I like to do 7 times 3. Here, I'll show you where that comes from. 7 times 6. I'm going to decompose the 6 into 3 and 3. So I like to do 7 times 3. That uses one of my 3's, and I'll do another 7 times 3. And that used my other 3. 7 multiplied by 3. If you count by 7s, you have 7, 14, 21. If you count by 3s, you hold up 7 fingers. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. And now you can add 21 plus 21. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So this one, the area is going to be 42 square meters. Letter H. We have 4 kilometers and we have 2 kilometers. I don't know if you say kilometers or kilometers, but I call them kilometers. Okay. We have 4 multiplied by 2. So we can hold up 4 fingers and we can count by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Or you could have done that as a double and done 4 plus 4 is 8. So it's 8 square km. So we're going to say. All right. And the last one. Whoop, 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 whoop. Letter I. We have 9 multiplied by 12. So I've got 9 multiplied by 12. I'm going to do 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication. 9 multiplied by 2, you can hold up 9 fingers and count by 2s, or you can do 9 plus 9. I know my doubles and I like to use my doubles, so 9 plus 9 is 18. Now, this is just like we do for addition, so my 8 will come down to the ones place, and then this 1 in my tens place is going to go above my tens place. Now I'm going to do 9 multiplied by 1, but I can't forget this 1 at the top. So 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So on this one, my product is 108, which means my area for this one is going to be 108 square meters. And that is the end. I hope you've enjoyed learning about area and knowing that we multiply. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can call me, text me, email me. So just let me know. Bye.